Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a balloon arc without a kit or a balloon strip using only balloons. It can also be called a balloon garland. I'll be showing you to decorate in 3 types using this balloon garland. So kindly follow the tutorial. You need 2 balloons. So first you need to tie the balloons like this. Tie the balloons like this.
Okay. Tie the balloon like this. Okay.
So you have to make many of these. So you have to make many sets of these 2 set balloons. Take 2 of these. Join them together like this. Take another one. Take this part and ensure that you don't move this balloon. Slide these 2 without shaking the previous balloon. Slide the 2 balloons like this. Hold this balloon. Take 2 more balloons without touching this balloon. Insert these 2. So you have it like this. Hold this balloon. Take these 2 balloons. Don't move this balloon. Just take these balloons and you need to repeat this step. Take these balloons and only slide these balloons in between this balloon. I hope you can see what I'm doing. So we have come out with something like this. It's like a balloon cloud. Hold this balloon. Take one more set. Okay. Don't move this balloon. Don't move this balloon. Slide these 2 balloons inside like this. So it will become this big now. So hold this balloon. Take this one and just slide these 2 balloons inside like this. So you can use more balloons and elongate it as shown and form a balloon garland. So you don't need any kit or strip to make this. All you need is balloons. You can fix it to the wall with the help of adhesive hooks, or if you have nails on the wall, you can fix it to the nails also with the help of thread or ribbon. So this is one type of arc I showed you. You can convert this balloon garland into a U-shape arc as shown. To make this, once you're done doing the garland, just shape it into a U shape. I've just made it lean towards the wall. You can also fix it with the help of hooks. The third method is, you can just tie the ends of the balloon garland with the help of a ribbon and you can convert it into a circle shape as shown. I've kept a teddy in front of it to make it look more presentable. So these are the 3 types of decorations which are simple and easy. All you mainly need for this decoration are balloons. So if you have balloons, you can just go for this decoration and decorate well for your occasions. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.